Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me the content is already open and visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen. From there, hold your power button and volume down. Actually, that being said, we don't actually hold them. On Samsung we just click them, both of them. There we go. Now, it took it a moment for it to capture a screenshot and it activated volume button, so let's try that again without actually showing the volume rockers. There we go. So, as you can see, you press both of them at the same time. It will capture a screenshot, give you a couple options at the bottom. Doing that once more. We have edit, tag, and share options along with the T, which if the screenshot contains any text, like for instance names of applications, you can tap on it and it will highlight it, and from there you can copy it, which is a pretty nice thing to have access to. For instance, if you maybe want to quickly capture like a bank account number, you could capture a photo and also use this method to gain the numbers from there that way. Anyway, once you capture your screenshot, you can open up your gallery application, and either it's going to be visible under photos right here as the newest one, but later on it will be much easier to find that screenshot under albums and screenshots. And here you'll find only the screenshots that you have captured over the time, with again the option to pull the text from it by tapping on it, and you can see it just kind of allows you to select the text from here. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.